In this video, I will show you how to convert your non-smart TV into a smart TV with internet and apps. So if you have an old TV that cannot access the internet or even allow you to stream apps like the Netflix app, Prime Video, and so on and so forth, in this video, I will show you the cheapest way to convert that your old non-smart TV into a smart TV with internet and apps. And you don't have to worry the type or brand of TV you have. This video is going to work for any type and brand of TV. Now, first things first, in order to achieve this, we will definitely be needing a TV stick or a TV box just like this one over here. Now, you see, this is the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick, and trust me, it is a very affordable device for you to get. Now, this particular affordable TV stick has the capability of giving your TV that Android environment it needs for you to now be able to download and install apps that are available on the Google Play Store. Now, like I said before, it actually comes with an Android operating system, and what that means is that you can literally download and install literally any app that is available on the Google Play Store or App Store on your old non-smart TV. Now, basically, all you have to do is to get it, plug it to your old non-smart TV, and you're good to go. Now, I'm going to show you how to go about that in a second. Inside of the box, the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick actually comes with a remote control, which should be used when this particular device has been plugged into the TV. Now, it also comes with this HDMI dongle over here, which actually has like a HDMI port that should be plugged into the TV, and this USB-C cable that should be plugged into the HDMI port, and this other end should be plugged into the power source. Now, I'm going to show you how to go about plugging this device and turning your old non-smart TV into a smart TV in a second. Now, first things first, you just want to go over to the back panel of your old non-smart TV, just as you can see mine over here. Now, at this point, you just want to go ahead and plug the HDMI stick or HDMI dongle to any of the HDMI ports on your non-smart TV. Now, in my case over here, I basically have 3 HDMI ports on my TV, which is basically 1, 2, and 3. Now, what you just want to do is to go ahead and plug this TV stick to any of the HDMI ports on your non-smart TV. Now, if your TV has just one HDMI port, then go ahead and plug it to just that HDMI port on your TV. So I'll just go ahead and plug mine just like so. Make sure that it is firmly plugged into your TV, and once that is done, you want to go ahead and plug the other end of the USB-C cable that is plugged into the HDMI dongle into the power source. So just go ahead and make sure that this is plugged to the power source. You can go ahead and use any charger brick, and just plug it into the power source. And once it is plugged into the power source, you can literally see that the HDMI dongle is now showing these bright lights over here, indicating that there is actually power passing through it. And once this is done, you now want to go ahead and turn on your non-smart TV again and see the magic happen as it will turn your non-smart TV into a smart TV with internet and apps. And finally, you want to come back to your old non-smart TV, pick up the remote control, and then you want to go ahead and press on the input button on the remote control of your non-smart TV. You can literally see the input button on my remote over here. So I'll just go ahead and press on mine just like so. And now you want to go ahead and select the same input field where the HDMI dongle is actually plugged on your old non-smart TV. If you remember, mine was actually plugged on HDMI 1, which is actually what is indicated here. So I'll just go ahead and select HDMI 1, just like so. And now I have a complete Android Smart TV running smoothly on my old non-smart TV. And as you can see over here, there are basically all the apps I need to stream movies and watch videos on my non-smart TV now. And if I come over to the app section over here, you can literally see that there is basically the Google Play Store, which allows me to be able to download and install apps into this non-smart TV. And at this point, you can basically start controlling your non-smart TV that is now a smart TV with the Xiaomi Mi TV Stick remote. So if I go ahead and start controlling it, you can literally see that it works very well and even faster than my actual TV remote. And by the way, it is also important to note that I have been able to set up this particular Xiaomi Mi TV Stick before now, and that is basically why it took me to this particular screen. But if you're actually using it for the first time, you will definitely have to set it up by entering your Gmail and connecting it to the internet Wi-Fi so you can actually stream movies with this particular device. I have made a previous tutorial on how to go about setting it up, so you can check my previous video on how to set it up, and trust me, it is going to work perfectly well for you. That is basically all on how to convert your non-smart TV into a smart TV with internet and apps. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.